You are warmly welcome to Deroko Technology Company. We greet everyone worldwide, and it is another day for us to talk about the most complex challenges, which is the climate change. And now we keep on updating the problems at hand that we are facing, and we need solutions to it. For today, we are coming to talk about the capabilities of this powerful new age invention by Deroko technology. And let me draw you attention on how we talk of the disasters of the climate change, talking of the percentages rate. We made mention that electricity holds 60% of it, and smoke and agrochemicals hold 40% of it. So, without much wasting much time, we will say that we will let you know things happening at this place right now. Take note of that. Today, our topics are fire outbreak, fire outbreak, and mainly which was caused by electricity. The fire outbreak, we are talking of the causative of fire outbreak by electricity only, in quote. And we need to look at this thing here. We need to look at this thing here. These are some of the components that help our electricity system to run perfectly stable current. These are the components, and these are some of the types of the transformers that exist in our areas, that exist in our devices, that helps our device to work faster, easier, and smoothly. But one thing is that we need to learn something about this type of devices. We need to learn something about this type of devices. We have the step down transformer, step up transformer, three-phase transformer, single-phase transformer, a power transformer, iron coil transformer, ferrite core transformer, current transformer, and we have instrument transformer, toroidal transformer, and earthing transformer, isolating transformer. All these types of transformers that exist have a role to play in our modern days. And I want to tell you this thing. Take it in mind that when a current supplier, power supply, have all types of protective mechanism, I'm talking of types of breakers. Let me use that. Let me use that for an example here. Okay. We will have types of circuit breakers. You have types of circuit breakers in our homes, thinking we are protected by this type of devices, electrical components, which we think it is safer for us. We have the MCB, MCCB, RCCB, RCBO, all staffs that we think it will protect us. But do you know something? In the processing or in the process whereby electricity current are transformed from one end to the other end, there is something we need to know. how the transformer perform its function. How the transformer perform its function. And when I tell you that, how do the transformer perform its function? Upon we having this protective mechanisms here, yet still fire can be ignited. At the same time, yet still you can be electrocuted to death. How is that possible? We should learn something from here. We are all learning. How is that possible? The reason why it is possible is because our devices have inbuilt transformers. Our devices we use at home have inbuilt transformers. And the function, the main function of a transformer is to make sure to stabilize current. Whenever the current may draw from it, it will produce. And it will be hard for a transformer to give up. It will be hard for a transformer to give up. So, when a circuit breaker, like some of this type of circuit breakers, power passes through them and they enters in a zone of a transformer, they are powerless in protecting the endpoint product of that transformer. I don't know how you take this for by. Let me bring this in our local dialect for you to get clear understanding of it. Yawo MCCB, yawo MCB, RCCB, ene ehon keka ho. By adentina, debia eja etimi to ye fie ye devices are use eja timi tom. Light etimi kum nipa. Adentina sanyoma we nyina wo ye say aso omode boy ho ban. Na nso no entimi mo ye ho ban. Entimi emo ye ho ban. Ewom se ewo ye fie mu by ebetimi agye nkwa afiri yensem. Yehwe ekwan bi so ha sei. Yehwe ye montene so a ye tai hunu sa transformer we mu bi ewo ho. Na sa transformer no ne dwumadi a odi ne se ono no je current na oje tumi ni free anyinam kane atumi na afei die ono ankasa be gina ho se mene supplier no enti no bibia otwe kane free mi mu no me na me mana hoodene enti no efiri ho kono ono no ye boss to the extent say eja bibi beto chema ewo ne end point no ade a obehwe se eja krompo na ento ho eho no RCB ne na ho keka ho ni nyina no ye ewo ye distribution board mu say main switch mu say be o say a protect yen no ade a powerless when current passes through these types of devices. The person what ma say clear wa ha pa. Yen hwe bibi wa ha. Bibi to say microwave. Bibi to say microwave. Ye hwe microwave ma. Transformer a Taiwan microwave ni ebinie. Je ebo microwave, ama microwave timi e power e heat no. Transformer e wo mu no ebinie. Yemfa eno no meba. Okay. Transformer wo microwave no ebinie. Step down transformer. Step down transformer. Step down transformer. Ebinie. Na ehwa ade bi wo ha hwe. Se current e pass through this. Current e pass through this. Na chi no a also prime microwave no. se ho no se microwave no na chi no transformer no etrana the statement no clear ha se transformer na transformer ni di to me no process e the device ni say perform the function with stable current mo hwa de bi wa say ade se light no ekamum wo transformer na chi krompo na transformer ni be make sure say RCB MCCB away distribution board mu nya be powerless e be make sure say e be ignite na burning the whole thing to ashes eno ntina de biara da je what sa nioma wey e wo ye distribution board mu na enso no ade chi ade sem bia no wo de nimdia foforo ba enso ntimi nsi ano kwan we electrician me pese sa de we oti ase we electrician me pese sa de we oti ase ntimi mo assignment se kokoye sa assignment no ko na kokoye sa assignment no na fa ho ayi breme yeah kokoto protective device be a wo think say a protective device efa RCB RCCB MCB then kotobi na connect to transformer bibi to say powerful step downs movie powerful step down na connect to farmer sa no na step down na chi no the tower ya bom say one kasa na so step down be make sure say obe melt cable no no melt cable ni wi a ono akasa pekropo bit machine ho device na wo think say a protective device na wo distribution board ni mu no enya adwuma enya de be ya adwuma me find some video short video bi mo me hwa ade wa ha sei me find some short video bi mo me hwa ade wa ha sei ya hwa video no or the life ni neutral no or the am protective device no and all mpon homework na say or the soft flexible wire e be ka no ya hwa ade o e jadem we krompo no e yade emfa transformer mu ya hwa ade bi wa enya ade asade we american afa transformer mu dabi emfa transformer mu so Jayan kase ye device na yese eboy ho ban no ade a antrepo date na ama na antrepo date ama kwan se on trepo ne se current bia ohia se was a phone ansa na we natimi atrepo no we hwama no sa wo ye we hwama no aso wo a wo gina wo ya wo ye ni part se me ya me gina hei se Selfie sa device we ayenye say yaje atum say eboy ho ban no se nkese me kwakwa kodware na me wo me bathroom na se me current eliki afa me water heater mu no se ehwiegu me so a sa current na pass through this device na melt wire no hasisi ama wire air catch fire right now no ade a ye expect say tripping and aka say me dum ne ho date na num ne ho date na num ne ho ka bibia kire wo say current we no or represent we as fuse e swama no it's me me gina hey say me de me sako ka me microwave na say problem o microwave ni ma betimi afami mu akumi wa bra we emo me ho ban yenti ase yi na the man ye west krompo ne say the man asem no esai krompo ne nie ma me nkire wade wa ha si se transformer we emu bia ebi wo ye fidie ahodoɔ mu ebi wo ye fidie ahodoɔ mu na egye kanea ne tumi no na ɔde supply a ɛhɔ no device bia ɛyɛ breaker ɛyɛ fuse ɛnyɛ adwuma ɔho na akyi no ɔgye tumi ne wie a na akyi no bibia ne ho ebetuma stop no ɔyɛ unstoppable or stabilize current eti no deɛ bia no ɔno ankasa no or fight against it eti no wo protective mechanism na wo watɔ de ahyɛ wɔ fidie wei mu no ɛnyɛ adeɛ ɔbɛma na yɛ adwuma ɛbɛkum ɛnyɛ adeɛ a saa afidie wei no ana wei no ɔbɛma ho kwan sɛ wei no ɛnyɛ adwuma protective device no eti ɛbɛkum ɛhwɛ bibi wɔ ha sei obi tumi kɔtɔ step down a ɛyɛ wɔsɛ ne current no ɛnyɛ papa nti no ɔbɛtɔ step down not the fridge not the microwave not the other devices apile not the connected side device no now we connect side device na ma ne plug no the socket no what is in ase or the man the socket na or tenke sɛ bibi si a bibi esi a say bibi ebetuma me ejaba or think said the RCCB ne a year war the distribution board no ebe cut off by ANC say be cut off enya DBC because transformer na the boss of on itself our protective the territory it will all mark kwan say problem na si won anim no or ba be jai say problem no ama we or the abre we ma we asolve or be make sure so be deal with the problem say na nso or be make sure say be shada na nso say light no device na leaky current no say no as the power plant which is the transformer no what infinity one on ma ho kwan say light no on fast problem na si won anim no on fa mere we mon solve enti na light ekoso kum yen light ekoso ema oni men say me trust ya analysis bi mu analysis brain am here efa electricity ho unim ye use mfidi ahodoɔ we fie a ɛboae ma ya nneoma ye nyina kɔ faster ɛboae ma nneoma ye nyina ɛkɔ faster na saa de aboa sikafo ni bebree ɛwɔ mu fie mu ne sɛ akalite akum ebi mu de daada nanso no denti a light enku san krofo no wo mu fie ni mu no eno ne se omu use insulator se ka se insulator bibia entimi and transfer light uti si na se omu use no wo mo e floor tiles so se ka se floor tiles ya ebi na da ha se mama me nyi we mu freeze na me mfa eno ne ma example sisie kakra bi mama me nyi we mu freeze mfa eno ne ma example kakra we a floor tiles and a insulator. When we talk of insulator, say in case say wo device be a leaky current. Now, the device and when I say also device name. Now, name na sa dear way so like this so. And when I was scaffolding be wo mufi. Sankete sanka like your cool bin with the dada. So that kaya, one will use cement e wo mufi no. One will use cement e wo mufi no. So who say fridge be and I say device be electric to omo a shock omo kakra. Omo ka kire omo say omo ka kire omo ma ne say oh ko fridge ne ho ahye mpaboa na ede me ko ho a me nhye mpaboa no na me nyina cement ne so no light ne shock o shock o me into this time omo ka kire me say me ko ho a me nhye mpaboa no meba be kire no in the science terms no say light a wo didi agro da bia be ko ho a wo hye mpaboa no de timi de yew meba be kire ba me ma wo hunu say nya sa floor tiles we ya ka nipa bebre wu and yes floor tiles we ya aka nipa bebre wu afa light nsam wu ben am say anibia ba na nyansamu no nkrofo use sa floor tiles we menka say broken tiles mesramo abusanfo mesramo. There were differences between this floor tiles now or more to complete now. And there were differences between say open broken tiles, cement won't fini now or match that the atata or some tiles there be any no American complete floor tiles. It's near Shadi Buhasi. It's actually infidel war. And what if you ma okuta transformer? Yes. Me ma what ya say. So was step down, which is the stabilizer. Who will be now program our socket here? That's a problem. Let's see if you know the since I step down. So I mean, you are gonna say, oh, distribution board was a solve that problem and solve because oil was on its own. Yeah. And see, self-fidea way no more. What your devices simuno. Sa we your friend saying Tarida transformer we no. And no a tie wall a power amp amplifies a hot war nyina sadi we bi sakwe we bi wom. Step down, powerful step downs in the component ebi wom. It's no say ne on a supplier no ne output no anya ne input ne say waje to me no e de aba be shem no no kasa processing and stabilizing no e de kwa abonten which is the output no it is a problem sisa step down we so problem see the output the man no say or the problem be bre we say unsolve e so did the juma wie so fidel ko be me jatom ama ni nyina ase dwerebe yes. And nunti na make kira say pe sa transformer we are no and no mo da ye sa welding machine no so bie welding machine so a obo say transformer we akese no ebi we di mu come once na free abonte eba no sa transformer no na ye akase locality no omo ye bi omo design bi no omo da ye welding machine no and far different than this similar opi oye welding machine or repair or service or be catch say pe eti ye ka de bi wa say in case say transformer we ya hwe in case say transformer we did the juma as welding or ye welding or the nadia so nadia the neutral and the life that collides and melt. There is no way say break a beer bet me a triple off because or your boss on its own. And when I make it say some fidien na you use we fear mu no. Some way na a woman in tino a yadia one was ye protective mechanisms no a ye RCCD MCB near union ano when nim kefi say empono etabet matu fi empono light bit much boku they know it. It is washa adie sen wona wo nim die no okusu eye nnoma foforo de babon ten say ekwan bia so ne betimi achi light nsa gu nachi na ye ma light ho kwan say one mala mefa ejanto ye fie mu. Recently me share video bi na say Kumasi say Santas side China mobi jadem me share say video no na me bisa sa question we why no what electrical protective mechanisms than sankrofo no advanced technology than sankrofo no and here next to electricity it's me burning one property to access engineers be examine here wiring complete wiring mama sure there so we wiring na say jato fi a me kan kire electrician no ye adwuma ne say or no ni ma adwuma profession. But here is the case say we fidie na wo fie no ade a se bi wo touch ma na se sa fidie na touch ma sa bibi we na bi wo mu a emma kwan da e be make sure say be no properties no to access et you know gent mi empemu electrician say wo nyu ni ma adwuma e bia maybe say bia fa so you should cable sa ensem fata what you see na say o you should cable sa ensem fata sure And no maybe I meet my say dream no me de be man. Ebia wonim say air condition line or twen akono. No, instead of say obey 6 mm no and I said 10 mm dia ye adwuma no wakako use bia fa say 2.5 1.5 or physical didn't no or the problem abel. And no dey o blame electrician dia and e bigidi. I say or ye adwuma no krogen na say eja etimi si ufie a ejina won fidie na ewo ufie ho no ejina so. Sa transformer we remember mo the pure functions you may di at the bois the fie mu no mo me ehwe bibi te say air condition or transformer we mu bi wo one hour repair be kan okra ne board no so krompo no transformers we mu bi krompo wo so what is in say I boy stabilize current na de ma air condition no e ma it me ye adwuma. But the thing say problem ekoba sa air condition mu na say motor with the transformer no on only the oye stable no producing the current ya me kire wade oya leaky current ya and fast leakage of current and fa mere distribution board and say on cut off da AC and no na what the one sa ekoka bi tu ofi light it me fa mu. So light it so and I like to shock. That's a one more. In fact, we are long term effect. I dey yare getting a bebel. Pressure this animal no money like can. I it me generate to stroke. So when you ma make catch when electricity, I was say thing you may be yourself electricity. The most dangerous thing. Nipa na oye na nkasa kwampo suro electricity. Nipa na oye no. On one kasa say suro light. Nya when found say we see adwuma na duru he nya we bekum be sell nyama emfa ho or the principle they are poor light on the principle it is a one new principle na so on fa ho the akoko boy na say nowadays no the aboy na say ye adwuma na say mistakenly life and neutral collide wo baby a na break na boy na timi a triple off. Na tima may identify so hana anka kebu na wase ekono problem be si wo huntama na ntimi anye den anko e dia kan bu mom kokohwe eno ne boaye e te se kanetete no se light kan bu ma fuse etimi break no sa pepepe eno maye ne si uti si na se enti no se sie na ye mfidie na ewo ye fie mu no one use sa transformers we mu bi wo inside no afidie be na de be boy ho ban afidie ben ana aso se nkesi se yanya afidie no ho totima e betime hu na ka kire yen Nigeria di yawu ansa ana se ahye fie akum yen. There is the two things. So these devices, I'm talking of these devices that exist in our gadgets, make devices unable to make the breakers to trip. Yes. This device serves as a power plant on its own that generates excessive full current to supply its output. And when a problem happens in the output that do not allow the breaker to perform its function, this transformer will make sure to destroy itself, ignite fire, and burn to ashes. Yes. These types of transformers exist in our devices. Microwave, what do you call it? Air conditions. Other types of devices have this type of component in it. They make the RCD, the MCCB, and other protective mechanism unable to perform their functions as a protective mechanisms. This is the problem. That is why day in and out, electrocuting keep on killing people, and at the same time, fire outbreak is rampant everywhere because these devices that exist, this component that exists in our devices, do not allow the protective mechanisms to work. So, at the output of this type of transformer, this iron coil transformer, at the output of it, when there is leakage, when there is collision, no breaker can trip. No breaker can trip. Use a welding machine for an example and see clearly what I'm talking about. Use it for an example and see. These are some of the components that do not allow our system to work as a protective mechanism for us. It is destroying and killing us. But we don't have anything to say. We need to find a solution to this. That's why Deroko technology is bringing in the advanced technology, which is the spider sensor that oversees and protect and prevent. We will let you dive in the deepest knowledge of the invention of this powerful device, which is the spider sensor. Deroko Technology welcome you all. We thank you for your short possible time that you have wasted. It is all about climate change, and it is difficult for us to work on it. But nothing on earth is cumbersome for the Almighty God, the Creator. We have the solution now, and we can protect the world. Generation upon generation yet to come will be protected today and forevermore. Thank you.